Okay, so here is our week 6 lab on mitosis and meiosis. Let's see anything. It looks like there's no tables in this lab. You just get to draw a lot of stuff. As always, that's mine. We have the formatted lab and the rubric. So let me pause it and pull up the rubric for it. So the rubric has that we have 3 exercises and we will check our grammar and complete sentences. This one, I don't know, I like it. I think it's fun, but it's stressful. Some of it's prepared. I think it might not be prepared for the mitosis. Oh, we'll just go through it all, right? Let's see, no, I think it's all prepared. We'll find out. Let's find out. It's been a while since I've had to go through the lab point by point. Okay, so you create your title page like normal. We have observations, none. So exciting. So then we start to exercise 1. Don't like that. Go back to home. Exercise 1 is for the mitosis in animal plant cells, right? You're going to observe a prepared slide. Yay! You draw 2. This is again where I would take a picture and plunk it in. And you will draw the different phases, right? This is a good thing. Look at your slide with the cells in it. But then also you can look in your book to see what they should be looking like to make sure that everything, equates, right? Make sure you've labeled everything, all those suckers in your drawing. And then we're going to observe an onion root tip. And then we're going to draw what the cells look like on that. Says, blah, blah, blah. Did I skip too far? That's what happens when you're scrolling through too many things. Okay. Now we draw our onion root tip. Then we're going to label stuff in our onion root tip. Okay? And it's unlikely you're going to find everything because, let's face it, you would need a perfect job, right? Staining would have to be perfect. So we look at them. We have a 2N number. What's your 2N number for your whitefish? And what is your 2N number for the other one? Let me pause this for 1 second. Okay, it was just hiding. It was harder. And this is result, so we did that. Good, good, good. Da-da-da. And then we know what's the purpose of it. So what's mitosis doing? What's the purpose? What's the bastula? It's a good thing that you can cite if you need to. What are the mitotic processes that are different between an animal and a plant cell? Why might there be more mitotic division in onion root tip instead of other areas? You can always Google and then make sure you fill in the little lines. And now we're going to get into meiosis. So meiosis in animals. So which organ's going to have more gametes in it? Your ovary or your testes? Think about size. When and where does it occur? Or what's the reason for this? Blah, blah, blah. What's the reason for this? I skipped into simulating. I am just going ahead. I think I drank too much caffeine. So what does mitosis accomplish? When and where does it occur? What does it say that? Oh yeah, it does. Then we're going to talk about meiosis and when and where does it occur and how are they different. Okay? So then how does prophase 1 in meiosis and mitosis differ? This is also covered in your book. How does meiosis occur? Does it occur anywhere else besides the gonads? And the answer key is a lovely picture for some of that. You do not need that. Oh, we're near the end. So how does meiosis confer advantages to an organism when compared to asexual reproduction, such as budding? So why would you want to have sex and not just clone? What's the difference? This will think of your Red Queen hypothesis and some of the other stuff we will have read. How might crossing over benefit an organism? So why is adding an extra degree of diversity be good? We love diversity. I can say diversity. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, mouth is awake. How might crossing over be detrimental? So why might it be a bad thing? And then crossing over can occur during mitosis. Is crossing over more advantageous to an organism's survival if it occurs in mitosis or meiosis? Think about this. If it occurs in mitosis, how many cells does it affect? If it occurs in meiosis, how many cells does it affect? There's your difference, if you think about it. And then the laboratory summary, what have you learned? He says answers will vary, but should show appreciation for understanding laboratory objectives. Don't say that. Say what have you learned. And be optimism, positive, not snarky in your summaries. Thank you. I hope this helps.